JJ Associates is proposing a transparent deficit solution for the City of Detroit. One of the important components to our solution is local economic development. Economic development means job creation. The purpose of this presentation is to demonstrate how our solution creates jobs and consequently generates local tax revenue. The backbone of our solution is a web-based procure-to-pay tool that gives the city the ability to track all dollars and activities related to its procurement cycle. This bolt-on tool is important because it implements a level of transparency that allows not only real-time tracking of dollars, but monitoring, management, and enforcement of contracts, policies, ordinances, and executive orders. To maximize job creation efforts, there should be some city-driven policy foundation. Executive Order number 2003-4 provides that starting point. This order established the goal of awarding 30% of the total value of city contracts to certified Detroit-headquartered and Detroit-based business. With our tool, the city now has the capacity of reaching that goal. This capacity is based on the fact that for the last 15 years, our system has documented valuable supplier information such as commodity codes, years established, business type, current number of employees, minority classification, and designated certifications for thousands of local suppliers. This information is stored in a large database, and specific data points can be modified by vendors to update their profiles. In addition, our system allows for instantaneous retrieval of that information in a very targeted manner to include minority status, Detroit-based, Detroit-headquartered designation, women-owned, or any other targeted category that is required. So when prime contractors, as shown here, are awarded and need to find local companies to meet the goal of an executive order, utilization of our system will give them the very quick ability to find these firms, and the city will have the capability to randomly refer targeted companies and assist in the development of new companies to meet future requirements of long-term awarded contracts. Primes will award local firms through their request for proposal process within our system that the city can view in its entirety and provide oversight. Finally though, an award is the potential of doing business. It is not necessarily a guarantee that work is provided and billing takes place. The invoicing module of our tool will close this loop. It will substantiate the fact that local-based subcontractors are actually billing and receiving payments. Dynamically generated employee numbers from vendor screens, reporting formats will substantiate new hires, invoicing, payments, and if desired, city tax receipts that are the result of newly generated tax revenue and job creation.